Welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, I want to give you an update here on Tesla stock ticker TSLA trading on the Nasdaq. Yeah, we had here 5% plus on Friday, and the question is, how will the week continue? I think I know what is happening next because I'm already super bullish on Tesla since April 2024. Unfortunately, the videos which I released on Tesla during that time have almost no clicks, guys. Almost nobody saw my videos. I warned here so many times that we will see a squeeze for Tesla. This video here is from the 19th of April, and I show you, of course, in this video why I'm so bullish on Tesla since April 2024. And when I released my Tesla video, the price was here at $146. And let's just have a quick recap what happened since, because I want to show you that the market or the price action for stocks can be very, very predictable if you understand the algos and the technicals. It is very possible to predict here even short squeezes in the market. So let's have a quick recap what happened since Tesla, since I released here my video at the 19th of April. I'm here in the weekly chart, that's why the yellow line is here at the 15th. It was, of course, here 1 week later. So let's check that here very quick. Boom, so here was the video release date, $146. The make it or break it price level for Tesla at this time is and was $181. And latest with this retest here, yeah, it was more or less absolute clear what happens next. And you can see that Tesla is now here squeezing out of my screen. As I said, guys, very predictable, and I show you also why, because the market makers always leave us here some hidden signals in the chart. Since I released my super bullish video on Tesla, Tesla is already up 170%. Of course, guys, everything what I say here is not financial advice. I give you here my opinion based on the chart. And I show you now here my chart patterns for Tesla, why I was so sure, I have been so sure that we saw or could see here a squeeze in the market. And you can also see when you see my previous videos on Tesla, I never change or adjust the charts. Yeah, this was always here my squeeze price trigger level. $181 was the make it or break it price level here in the, let's call it, lower price ranges. 231 was the last point of resistance, and I said as soon as we break $320, there is no doubt that we will see $400 next for Tesla. And I explain you, of course, why. What I'm doing here on this channel, guys, of course, the main purpose is to educate you in trading. That's why I started this channel here, but I also try to predict here short squeezes every week. This is one of my missions. And yeah, what I'm doing, I release here every Sunday my finest selection of short squeeze stocks. You usually will not find those tickers on YouTube, guys. This is a very finest selection which I present here on my channel. And when I release a hot stock video every Sunday, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next trading days. Not in 1 month, not in 2 weeks, very, very next trading days, guys. While I'm recording this video, one of my hot stocks which I just presented yesterday is already squeezing in the pre-market, and last week we had 3 short squeezes after my prediction here. Video release date was also here the yellow line, and this ticker here squeezed 192% in 1 day, guys. This is a daily candle here in the 4 hours chart. Then the next one had a squeeze of 150%. Here was the video release date. You can see we hit perfectly here the expected price level and had a 150% squeeze also, of course, in 1 day. And then one of my Patreon swing trade alerts also squeezed 185% in 1 day. So they are a little bit more violent than Tesla. Even Tesla had here a very nice squeeze. But this is here compared to the price action here from April until December, and what I showed you just right now was the price action in 1 day. So guys, if you want to see those short squeeze tickers here before we dive into the Tesla chart, then of course you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, guys, and we're growing every day new members joining in. And if you want to become a part of this trading community, you can click here the info icon in the corner and get access to my Patreon member link. The brand new hot stock video for this week is out right now. So guys, Tesla, yeah, as I said, very predictable. Why? Because Tesla had its peak here in November 2021. That was the peak of the previous bull run, which was initiated here in 2019, and then until November 2021, the whole market was ripping. Cryptocurrencies, stocks, no matter what, everything reached all-time highs. Then we had our huge bear market incoming, which as I said started here in November 2021. And what I identified here on Tesla, as I said, this is not financial advice, this is how I see the chart. And when you see my previous videos, these charts never change. As soon as I spotted here trading patterns for stocks, I will never change or adjust their charts, as long as they of course don't execute stock splits or reverse stock splits, because then I have to change the chart. But what happened here, we had just here one significant resistance line for Tesla, and this is this yellow line here, which controlled the price in favor for the bearish algos. And when we had this breakout attempt here, that was for me the signal that we start to see a squeeze. Not only this breakout attempt here out of this yellow line, because when you follow up the line here, you can see that since November 2021, Tesla has never been able to break this yellow line. We never had a price over this yellow line, and that was already the beginning of a squeeze here. This breakout attempt was super bullish. Not only this, because we have of course here a very strong bull trend pattern for Tesla, and the combination that this descending trend channel here met the ascending trend channel here, which is in favor for the bulls, that was for me the absolute red alert signal that I said, hey guys, this is a very great opportunity to buy Tesla here to make some profits. And you see that of course perfectly played out. I never read news. I have no idea what financially Tesla is doing, if they're doing good or not. And I honestly, guys, I don't care. It is not part of my trading strategy. When you understand how the algos work, then it's also possible to predict short squeezes. Otherwise, I would not have been able to predict here 3 short squeezes in 1 week, guys. This is here everything in 1 week, 5th of December, 3 of my tickers squeezed. Yo guys, I know the up price levels for Tesla is also very predictable what will happen next. We don't even need the drawings for that. We have only one open gap here for Tesla at $402.67, and I have no doubts that we will close this gap here. If you don't understand how these open gaps work, guys, the chance that we close open gaps is about 90%. These are some, I don't know how to call it, trigger points for algos, for trading algos, and the price target for Tesla is for sure 402%. But when we of course see the overall uptrend pattern in which Tesla is trading, then I think we will even see now new all-time highs incoming for Tesla. As soon as we close this gap, as soon as we have a new all-time high, I will show you also the calculation, what are the next price calls to the upside. It's not part of this video, but I will show you that in the next video. But just keep in mind, if you also are into Tesla right now, $320 is the make it or break it price level. So if we should see a bear market incoming, if the market should turn bearish, for now we are still super bullish of course, but if the bear market should start, keep in mind the price goals for the bearish market makers for Tesla is $320, which means the market makers want to bring the price below $320. You can see already here in the chart that we have a lot of open gaps here, open down gaps at $358, $345, $324, and these open down gaps also need to get filled. So that makes just sense that after this straight line to the upside, we see here a pullback sooner or later, guys. It's just a matter of days or weeks. It depends when the market turns bearish. Then we will see a pullback, and then we start to retest here the previous price levels for support. And yeah, in my opinion, as I said, Tesla is a very bullish stock, and a great opportunity has been here in April, since almost the bottom was in after this shakeout which we had here in January 2023. Yeah guys, that was my quick and dirty update on Tesla. What you can do of course here, you can copy the price levels from my chart. I think for now just here the upper price levels are important. $402.67 is the price which I expect at least for Tesla here to hit this price range to close the open gap. As you can see while I'm recording this video, we're gapping up again in the pre-market here, so there will be a new open gap if we start to trade at $396, and then $320 is the price range for a retest in favor for a pullback, or when the pullback gets initiated, and then of course some lower price levels are possible here. If you want to copy the price levels, this is everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program which I use for all my videos and all my trades, guys. If you don't have TradingView yet, and if you want to learn trading, if you also want to predict short squeezes, in my opinion, this is not possible without a good chart program. That's why I always recommend the TradingView software. You can get here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. If you also click the info icon here, then you get access to my special $15 discount link for TradingView. I can highly recommend that. I am not sponsored by TradingView. Yeah, guys, that was my update on Tesla. I thank you so much for your time. I hope that was helpful for you. If you don't want to miss any updates here on Tesla or my other short squeeze stocks, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und viel Erfolg mit Tesla. Guten Start in die neue Woche. Bis dann. Take care, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.